This video shows how to adjust stabilizer wear pad. Before performing any repair or maintenance on machine, read the operator's manual carefully. Take all the safety precaution as mentioned in the operator's manual. Wear proper PPE. Depends on site requirements. Stabilizer wear pad adjustment should be performed once in a week. Step 1. Park the machine on firm, leveled ground and lower the stabilizer leg to a convenient working height. Make sure the foot of the stabilizer is not on the ground. Apply parking brakes and place loader bucket touching the ground. Step 2. Remove all mud accumulation around the inner leg. Check the clearance of stabilizer's inner leg as shown in the video. Remove the wear pad plugs one by one and check for any wear and tear on wear pad. Step 3. If the pad is worn out, replace all the wear pads with new one. There are 2 screws holding the wear pad. Remove the screws and replace the wear pad. If worn out, tight all the 3 wear pad plugs evenly towards stabilizer's inner leg. Note: do not over-tight the wear pads, which will reduce the wear pad life and obstruct the functioning of the inner leg. As shown, check the stabilizer's inner leg for any play. Repeat the same on another side's stabilizer also. Step 4. Operate and test both the stabilizer's performance.